Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest for retirement, follow these step-by-step instructions to build a secure financial future and enjoy your golden years. Step 1. Calculate how much money you'll need in retirement based on your desired lifestyle and expected expenses. Use retirement calculators that factor in inflation, life expectancy, and healthcare costs. Step 2. Start contributing to your employer's retirement plan immediately and aim to contribute enough to capture the full employer match. This is free money that can significantly boost your retirement savings. Step 3. Open an individual retirement account to supplement workplace retirement plans. Choose between traditional and Roth accounts based on your current tax bracket and expected retirement income. Step 4. Invest your retirement savings in a diversified portfolio, appropriate for your age and risk tolerance. Younger investors can generally handle more stock exposure, while those nearing retirement should shift toward more conservative investments. Step 5. Increase your contribution rate annually, especially when you receive raises or bonuses. Even small increases compound significantly over decades of saving. Step 6. Avoid withdrawing from retirement accounts early, as penalties and lost compound growth can severely damage your long-term retirement prospects. Leave the money invested to work for you. Step 7. Review and adjust your investment strategy every few years as you age, gradually reducing risk and preserving capital as retirement approaches. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.